I am so excited. I am going on an overseas trip for the first time in more than 2 years for obvious reasons. I will soon be leaving for Barcelona, Spain. Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Kalle and I talk about luxury and finances. I don't just show you luxury items, unboxings, reviews and whatnot, but I also talk about the money behind the purchases. Check out, for example, my video on how to afford luxury on a financially sustainable basis. Or when it comes to investing, we might currently be going into a bear market, so watch my video on stock market tips. But in today's video I will show you guys as I'm packing my Louis Vuitton Keepall 45 in the Damier Cobalt as my carry-on for my trip to Barcelona, and this is going to be my only piece of hand luggage, and once in Barcelona I will be using this as a city bag as well. By the way, this bag was already showcased in my video on my Louis Vuitton luggage. It was a two-part video series and the Keepalls were in the first part, so check out that video to get a more detailed review of this bag. I also have a bag organizer for this Keepall, but I won't be using it now because that would limit the number and placement of the items inside the bag. However, this is great for storage to keep the bag in its shape. Alright, everything is ready here on the table, so let's see how it all fits into the bag. We will start with these face masks, since the box is a bulkier item which you should basically place at the bottom to give the base some support. Next I will put in these two cases of glasses, so my Louis Vuitton sunglasses and a pair of regular spectacles, so I normally wear contacts, but obviously I'm going to need these glasses as well. Then we'll put in these pouches which hold different bits and bobs like cosmetics and medicines. In this one there is some cash, and in this one I have my tech cords for the laptop and the phone. And I will take these cleaning wipes into my hand luggage. Cif is a brand of Unilever, a consumer staple stock that I own and which pays me a dividend 4 times a year. So check out my previous video in which I talk about stocks and companies whose products you're likely to have at your home and which in my opinion are good stocks to invest in for the passive income they generate in the form of dividends. I will also take my laptop and it will fit into the side of the bag. Then I will throw in a reusable shopping bag and some pouches to carry your stuff around. And this pouch holds my Bluetooth headphones. And the last things to go into the main space are the transparent plastic bag for liquids and this envelope with the prints of my travel documents. And I will put my Louis Vuitton passport cover, on which there is a separate video, into the inside pocket of the Keepall. The passport cover has double duty as it is also my wallet now. And then the Louis Vuitton card holder with some additional cards will go into the same pocket. The only thing that is missing now and that will be in my bag is my phone with which I'm filming this video. So with this I'm good to go. The hand luggage is not packed to capacity. When I come back I intend to take something out. For example, there won't be the box of face masks, and I intend to put some more valuable purchases into this carry-on. I have, for example, some Hermes items on my list which I'll definitely share with you guys once I get back. So is the bag heavy? To some extent yes, but it's the laptop that is the heaviest item and I won't be carrying it around when I'm walking with this bag in Barcelona. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Leave a comment, drop a like and subscribe for more luxury and or financial content. I will soon be on my way and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!